Hi everyone, welcome to Anna by Crafted Threads, and today I'm going to show you how to make this elegant and breathable wrap. To begin with, I chain 10. Now I slip stitch into the first chain to create a loop. Chain 3, and this counts as a first double crochet. Then place 19 more double crochets. Now you have 20 double crochets. Chain 3 and then place double crochets in each stitch of the previous row. In this row, I don't count the chain 3 as a double crochet. I reached the end of this row, and in total I also have 20 double crochets. Next row, chain 3. I don't count that as a separate double crochet, so I place a double crochet into the first stitch, chain 1 and double crochet into the next stitch. I will repeat that till the end of the row. At the end of this row, I also have 20 double crochets. Next row, chain 10. Then a single crochet into the second chain space. Next, chain 5. Skip one chain space and place a single crochet into the next chain space. Repeat it 2 more times. Now I have one big chain space and 3 smaller chain spaces, and at this point I reached the middle of my work, so I chain 10 again. Now I skip one chain space and place a single crochet into the next chain space, and that is the middle of my work. For the remaining part, I will repeat absolutely the same what I've done for the first half, just mirror reflected. I am about to finish the row, so I chain 7 and I place a double crochet into the very last stitch, and this is equal to chain 10. This row is also the base of the arcs I will create in these big chain spaces. After this base row, I start the first row forming the arcs. So I chain 3 and I don't count it as a separate double crochet. So I place 10 double crochets into this big chain space. Now do a single crochet into the next chain space. Chain 5. And a single crochet into the next chain space. Repeat it one more time, chain 5 and single crochet into the next chain space. That's how it should look like. Next, I reach this bigger chain space again, so I am placing 10 double crochets into this big chain space. And this will be the same for all middle motifs of this shawl. And now I'm placing another 10 double crochets into the second half of this middle piece. I will finish the remaining part symmetrically to the first part of this motif. This is row 1 of this arc, and now I'm about to do the row 2, so I chain 3 and then I will place a double crochet into each double crochet stitch of the previous row, and that will be 10 double crochets in total. I completed 10 double crochets. Now I do a single crochet into the next chain space, chain 5 and a single crochet into the next chain space. Now we have again this arc, and I will place a double crochet into every double crochet stitch of the previous row. So for the middle piece there will be 20 double crochets in total. And I will finish this row symmetrically to the first half. This is row 2 of the arcs, and now I'm about to do the last row of the arcs before I start a new base chain row of the arcs which are about to come. So I chain 3 and I place a double crochet into the first stitch, then I chain 1, double crochet into the next stitch, and I will repeat it for this arc. I completed this arc, and now I will proceed with double crochets into the next arc directly. The diagram doesn't say that I need to place a single crochet into this small arc between the bigger arcs, but if you feel like it looks better, you can try it out. And I will continue doing that until the end of this row. That is how it looks like now. You can compare it with the diagram as well. And this row of arcs is now finished. So the next I will be back to creating the chain base row for the upcoming arcs again. So I chain 10. I will skip one chain space and place a single crochet into the next chain space. And next I chain 5. And place a single crochet also not into the next, but skipping one chain space. And I will repeat it 2 more times. Now I have this space between 2 big arcs, and this will be the space for the next big arc. So now I chain 10 again. In this next arc, I skip the first chain space and place a single crochet into the following chain space. This is my pattern for this row, so I have one big chain space, 3 smaller, one big chain space, 3 smaller, and the only exception is this middle motif where I always will have 2 big chain spaces right in the middle next to each other. So I reached the middle. Yeah, so I had 3 smaller chain spaces before that. So now I chain 10 and create the upcoming arc again. I skip one chain space, place a single crochet. This is the middle of my work again. Yeah, so this is the first half of the middle motif, and now 10 chains again, and this will be the second half of the middle motif. And I will complete this row symmetrically to the first half of the row. And of course I have a little furry inspector checking on the quality of my work. So from this point, please keep repeating the pattern I showed you before. This is going to be all the same, and you will only increase the amount of arcs in each upcoming arc row. So please refer to my explanation in the beginning of this video, and I wish you good luck creating this amazing summer breezy shawl. Also, please refer to the diagram. It will help you remembering what you're doing right now and will help you visualize the pattern. This pattern is not that difficult after all. I really like how it turned out. Please support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel and stay put for the new exciting tutorials.